everyone. I am Manoharan. In our last class, we have learned about bench vise, hacksaw frames and blades. Today, we are going to learn about types of vices. In this topic, we are going to learn about state the different types of vices, state the uses of quick releasing vise, pipe vise, hand vise, pin vise, toolmakers vise and leg vise. Let us start with different types of vices. Introduction. Vices are used for holding the workpieces. They are available in different types. The following are the different types of vices: quick releasing vise, pipe vise, hand vise, pin vise, toolmakers vise and leg vise. Quick releasing vise. A quick releasing vise is similar to an ordinary bench vise, but the opening of the movable jaw is done by using trigger lever. If the trigger at the front of the movable jaw is pressed, the nut disengages the screw and the movable jaw can be set in any desired place quickly. Pipe vise. A pipe vise is used for holding round section of metal, tubes and pipes. In this vise, the screw is vertical and movable. The jaw works vertically. The pipe vise grips the work at 4 points on its surface. The parts of the pipe vise is shown in the figure. Hand vise. Hand vises are used for gripping screws, rivets, keys, small drills and other similar objects which are too small to be held conveniently in the bench vise. A hand vise is made in various shapes and sizes. The length varies from 125 to 150 mm and the jaw width is 40 to 44 mm. The jaws can be opened and closed using the wing nut on the screw that is fastened to one leg and passes through the other leg. Pin vise. A pin vise is used for holding small diameter jobs. It consists of a handle and a small collared chuck at one end. The chuck carries a set of jaws which are operated by turning the handle. Toolmakers vise. Toolmakers vise is used for holding small work which requires filing or drilling and for marking of small jobs on a surface plate. The toolmakers vise is made of hardened and tempered steel. Toolmakers vise is machined accurately. Leg vise. Leg vise is a holding device generally used in forge shop for bending and forging work. It is made of wrought iron or cast steel to avoid breakage while hammering. Main parts of leg vise. The following are the main parts of leg vise: solid jaw, mobile jaw, threaded jaw, spindle, spring, pivot, leg, clamp. Since the hinged jaw moves in a radial path, the job is not gripped properly because of the line contact. Hence, a work can be carried out on a bench vise is not held on the leg vise. Jobs which require hammering only are held on a leg vise. I hope now you all have the clear understanding of different types of vices, uses of quick releasing vise, pipe vise, hand vise, pin vise, toolmakers vise and leg vise. Thank you for watching this video. See you all in our next class. Have a good day.